You know, so when time I go start talk about your public, spice, you know, say the whole truth and nothing but the truth, me I go tell the whole world,
Closing down ATMs, so how are you going to get cash to do business? We have to move to a cashless society, and more, that is going to be the reality. Just say, don't say I never tell you.
Welcome to Food TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Blessed love and greetings to my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, line and line, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Food TV. We say give thanks to life for the and strength, Life are the greatest gift. Always remember that saying. Yes, man, before we get into this vlog, me, I'm going to please like the content. If you watch the content, please like and share. The more you like it, the more YouTube put it out there. See? Yes, man, loud and clear. Yeah, man, if you are subscribed, please click the bell. Welcome to Food TV. Yeah, man, coming up in this episode, you don't know, we have vlog live from the Bronx. See what I'm saying? Yeah, man, Queen Ifrica call out Spice, and I say, yo, let you tall up. You see, big up yourself, tall up. Trending. And also, Bounty Killer performer one part on the stage and kick down the back stem. So maybe we're going to see what go on. Yeah, man, and Jamaica planning to go cashless. So I'm going to hear with a lady I say about going cashless and my experience. You don't know. Don't go the way that we are forward.
To get to know you, please can be me, girl. You are the missing diamond to make my life complete.
Yes, man, welcome back. That's my current single. Me I look for job soon when I forward back from out of the States, back to the UK, you see me? Yeah, man, I want you, so I can look forward for that one day. I don't know if I do the thing independently, and yes. So I don't know any producer out there want to work with the I am available, see? Yes, man, so first and foremost, here Queen Ifrica said about tall up and spice.
All is call up, I'll be standing tall up to face the darkest and the hardest of times. And you see, as me said that, I said let in tall up too. Tall up a bad artist. And you know we know the hypocrisy in our music. Yeah? Yeah, man, tall up a good artist, fix things spice. Cause you know, so when time I go start talk about your public, spice, you know, say the whole truth and nothing but the truth, me I go tell the whole world, about me and you,
Well, I'm a viewers and subscribers. So that sound, here Queen Ifrica say, yo, let you tall up, bad artist. And she says, basically she says, Spice, I think the way she make it sound is like Spice a whole long tall up. Me no know. But questions up, me hear to the question I ask and say, yeah. Them a lock the gate panara and then they want to let her through and I don't know. But what Queen Ifrica say, Spice, you know when I'm ready to talk about you, You know, make the world know the truth and not about the truth about me and you. So like Queen Ifrica have some file around in the closet or something secret or something. But we wait for the day. Is it? Big up yourself, Queen Ifrica, big up tall up, let you tall up, bad artist, big up Spice. Viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that. Yeah, man. So next now we see that video you circulate with Bounty Killer in the general. Dep on a show, do a show and like the man realize that the box them now work and kick them off. Bounty chip, the man really cross, Watch what I go on and tell me what you think, my viewers and subscribers.
What kind of foolishness is take them off? If them not play the role of them states man, we don't want to money from the country. They not play the pull of the play. Come forward me and blow clot. Listen, not another bird without
Hey, we have to laugh at the start. Bounty Killer the easy, the man that perform and like the man realize that the box them nah play. Man, kick off one and chew off one and I say, yo, if them not play, what do I do up here? Blood clot. Viewers and subscribers, I want to know how the stage manager feel. Or the person responds to them backstage. Would you do the same thing? Or you think Bounty Killer should I leave the box them? Because suppose them did wired up. It look like them never wired up. But if them did wired up and maybe them chip out of a shortage. But he don't really care. The band just throw them off. Like realize that them not play. Him not get the sound or the effect. Maybe him not get the sound when I expect to hear, you know, the feedback. I realize that them not play. I kick them off and throw them off. But let me know what you think of that reaction. You don't know 7 brother, 7 different mind. Me I say him should allow them still, is it? Yeah man, boy I tell you, big up killer. Next I want to listen to the lady here and hear what she said. The world is changing, the world is evolving, and we have to start keep up to date with it. You know what I mean? It's just like the technology. We can't sit back and say we are old school and not try to evolve and move up with technology. We're going to left behind. So here with the lady I say, and then I'm going to give you my recent experience traveling to the US. See? Yeah man.
I saw this press release from NCB yesterday saying that they are going to be closing down some of their ATMs, and it is going to get more and more difficult to do business in cash in Jamaica. And I know we have this reluctance to move to a cashless society, but the facts are there. It is extremely dangerous in today's day to do business in cash, and the banks and the security firms are going to start de-risking. So very soon you'll see companies like Beryllium, their vehicles and their staff have been attacked violently. A couple people, security guards, have been killed over this. Pretty soon they're going to say, we just want out of this business completely. It's too dangerous to transport cash. And as a matter of fact, even before they said that, they might not even be able to get anybody to work with them because they don't want to take that risk with their lives. And then now we see NCB, even though for the past couple of years they've been telling us to come out of the banks and just do business in the ATMs. Now they're closing down ATMs. So how are you going to get cash to do business? We have to move to a cashless society. And more, that is going to be the reality. Just say, don't say I never tell you.
Yes man, so on the hear for yourself, my fellow Jamaicans, be alert, be aware. Something them a plan for do, and it's gonna happen sooner or later, sometime soon. I don't know, Jamaica right now, the Prime Minister has been making a lot of changes, pertaining to America and the rest of the world where I link with. You know what I mean? So cashless, them a plan for go cashless because of, as the lady said, the robberies them are going with the Brinks them and the Beryllium and cash pints are closed down and all of them things there. So she's just giving you a warning, a real thing. She tell us it's going to happen, Them a plan for go cashless. You know what I mean? And a real thing. Some people start go cashless already. You can't use cash some place in America. You see me? I am currently in the States right now, and when I'm at the airport, that's what they encourage me to go cashless. And I thought about it and I said, no, well, let me try it. And I did. I get a card with the money on it, and that's how I've been spending while I'm in the US. You get me? So the money up on the card, I'm pay for the things, I'm just wireless. Either push the card in or use the contactless. Yeah man, I just the thing that the cashless is gonna come in effective soon. You see start circulate around different countries. So Jamaica make you know, so soon it'll go up me, they are thinking about it. You get me? So make sure no accounts up or no prepare for these changes. Enough people, it'll affect enough people, but as we said, the world will change and the world will evolve, and them people they go like say them are God. And them will change up the things, so we have to stay up to the time, is it? Yeah man, I don't know. Let me know what you think about that, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know, Lionfoot, and don't forget to like and share the content. Subscribe, click the bell. Big up on yourself. I'm out.
Rasai Marik, Lionfoot TV. This boy I say my bad man now with no know how trick him. No how trick him now the cops them catch him. Cops them catch him now boy more dripping. Never know said the damn boy was a chicken me yet. Chicken. Yeah man, Brimstone aka Cannabis represented for Lionfoot TV.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.